Assalamu alaikum everybody, Eid Mubarak. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Gosht ka Achar. So I have 2 pounds of beef. You can also use a boneless goat, and I washed it good. These are small pieces, and this is my great grandma's recipe. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of lal mirchi, and haldi. Then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Adha. Then we're going to pressure cook it. So we're gonna stir it, and we're going to pressure cook it for about 10 minutes until the gosht softens up. So here's what the meat looks like after 10 minutes. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So we have 12 cloves of garlic, and we have a lot of oil. This keeps the achar from going bad, so we're gonna put that in here. So we have 4 teaspoons of oil, and we're gonna add about 6 dried chilies in there. So this is 4 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a mixture of rye, zira, kalonji, and methi seeds. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of that into our bagar. 1 and 2. I'm gonna stir that up. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 heaping spoons of Adha. And we turn on the stove so that the mirchi won't burn, because if it burns, then it'll start to turn black. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lal mirchi, and we're going to add half a teaspoon of haldi. Stir that all up. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and zira powder. Okay, so now we're going to add the meat to it, and whenever you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to ask for help. So I'm going to need my mom's help for this. Okay, my mom helped me put it in, and now's the point where you can taste it to see if it's up to your likeness. Now we're going to add the the kari patta. We're gonna add that in here, and we're gonna stir it. So I'm gonna turn the stove up just a little. Mix it really good. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Yummy! It smells so good. Okay, our achar is done. You can put this in an airtight container and put it in the fridge, and it'll last you a very long time. So I really hope that my great grandma is very proud. I really know that she'll love this. Bye.